Okay, so what's the point of this video again?
Here, I'll pose.
Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a crazy thing, and I'm still not sure why we're doing it. Chad, why are we doing this? He doesn't know either. We're going to be forging an axe with axes. Yes, and these are still razor sharp. We have not dulled them at all. Watch.
Just please stop this. This is
What?
awful.
Are you serious?
I thought we were doing great.
What? How is that bad?
I'm offended.
Now I don't know what you want. What's real, what's fake?
Sound great. Just keep going.
I don't know if I can anymore.
Come on, Liam.
All right, so we've got two 2¼ pound camp axes. One's a 19 and one's a 24. And we have a 1½ pound billet of steel in the forge. We are gonna start forging this thing out by hand using axes. Here we go. Hold on. Okay.
Hard?
Yes. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be terrible.
This is nothing like this.
Mercer's gonna come in here and be like, what are you guys doing? Careful, try not to hit the edge. Oh my god. Wow. Oh wow, that's difficult.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I was doing better than that.
Hey.
I'm scared now.
Wait till I get some practice. Yeah, now he's doing better. Now he's doing better. Get some. Reheat. Or flip it over. Oh, that was a lot of shock. This just came through the handle, that hurt. I guess it's like almost as if an axe isn't made to be used as a forging hammer. Why are we doing this? I feel it.
Yep.
There it's going. What's it look like? Don't take it out. Just put it over the hardy hole. There it is.
And you got yourself a hole.
How'd that happen? Okay. Oh my God. All right, just me. It's so ugly. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's so ugly. Oh my gosh. Wow.
That's hideous.
We just did a little bit of flattening on the cheeks with some team striking, and we're about to drive a larger drift through the axe eye, make it larger, and then we'll start on the axe blade. I'm killing Jacob! All right. I felt like we were doing really good, and then we just sucked.
Spin it. There we go.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Reheat. This might be the most beautiful axe that I've ever made. It's really starting to get great shape to it. As you can see, we just need to thin that down a little bit more.
We could use the blades for a Hoffman, Liam.
Looking good. Look at that. Beautiful curves to it, elegant shapes.
We're moving
Resembles the form of a beautiful human body.
metal. We are moving metal. So, not a big problem. That's pretty cool.
Hey guys, this is turning out really good.
It's ugly.
Let's do some more drifting. Okay, so we've got the beautiful blade drawn out. It looks probably better than the axes we're even using to make it with, if I'm being honest. And it's now time to drift the eye larger. So we're gonna go in with the final drift through both sides and start cleaning up the overall shape and cross section of the axe. Anvil. Beautiful. Oh my God, that's perfect. The hole is so square.
Is it?
Yeah. Okay, now that we've got the eye drifted, I'm gonna start profiling the axe more, get it to a better shape. Not that it doesn't already look beautiful, but you know, we can do better. Oh, that's beautiful. That's so nice. That. Perfect. And we can just trim off the excess material with the axe blade. This is honestly the better tool. I wouldn't use a forging hammer ever again. Okay, so we've got everything done except for the axe straightening, but the axe shape and the eye and everything is more or less done. So what I'm gonna do now is actually trim, hot cut a little bit of the edge to shape it up a little bit better. And since we're using probably the perfect tool for the job, an axe, we just flip it around and hot cut it right off. Come on, Chad. Lighter. Hard. Yeah.
Whoa! That actually worked pretty well. I'm surprised.
Just hot cut with an axe.
I think it's about done. We did it. We did the unthinkable. We going?
Yep.
All right, so I hope that this dispels any misbeliefs that you probably have had for a long time. You've probably always been wondering, can you forge an axe with an axe? Well, now we know it is possible, and it actually works better than sledgehammers because we're able to flip them over and use them as hot cuts. That was probably the coolest part of this. So we've got a little 1.5 pound Hudson Bay pattern hatchet, and it only took us like an hour and a half or less. And hatchets held up well, so I think it was an overall success. If you liked this video and if you found it entertaining, let us know in the comments below and consider subscribing if you aren't already. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.